In this video, we're going to show you how to effectively monitor deal progress in Salesflare, a powerful CRM tool designed to help you streamline your sales process. If you're new to Salesflare and looking for a quick explanation of how to track your deals and ensure you're staying on top of everything, you're in the right place. One of the first things you'll notice in Salesflare is the intuitive interface. It's built to automatically capture all your data, so you can focus on selling instead of manual data entry. But how do you actually monitor your deals as they progress through your pipeline? When you open Salesflare, you'll see your sales pipeline displayed clearly, showing all your deals in various stages. From here, you can see exactly where each deal is in the process, whether it's at the initial stage, in negotiation, or closing soon. Salesflare allows you to customize these stages to match your specific sales process, so you're always tracking deals the way that makes sense for your team. Each deal has its own timeline that you can monitor, and this timeline provides key insights into how far the deal has progressed and what's still needed. You can see when a deal was last updated, what actions have been taken, and what next steps are required. This helps you stay organized and prevents anything from slipping through the cracks. The activity feed within each deal is a great way to monitor progress. Every call, email, or meeting associated with the deal is recorded automatically, so you don't have to worry about missing an important detail. This ensures your team is always in sync and knows exactly where the deal stands. For those of you managing multiple deals, Salesflare's powerful filtering system allows you to sort your deals by status, value, or any other custom field you create. You can also use the visual timeline feature to get a clear overview of which deals need attention. Another key feature of Salesflare is its smart automation. As you progress with deals, Salesflare can automatically remind you of follow-ups or send out personalized emails at the right time, helping you stay on track without needing to manually schedule everything. It's a huge time saver, ensuring you never forget a crucial step in the sales process. If you want even more visibility, Salesflare allows you to create custom reports, which can show detailed information on your deal's progress, sales performance, and any bottlenecks. This is particularly useful if you're managing a large team and need to track performance across multiple reps. Salesflare also integrates with other tools, like email and calendar apps, so you can have everything in one place. This makes it easier to monitor and track progress without jumping between multiple platforms. The best part? You can get access to Salesflare completely free through the link in the description below, along with our exclusive bonuses. This will give you the chance to explore all of the features we've talked about today and see how Salesflare can help you monitor deal progress more efficiently. To recap, Salesflare offers a sleek, easy-to-use interface to monitor deal progress with a visual pipeline, detailed activity feeds, smart automation, and custom reporting. It's a CRM tool that does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what really matters, closing deals. Don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial by using the link below. This will give you full access to everything Salesflare has to offer, and you'll be able to track your deal progress like a pro. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get started with Salesflare.